You know it's on when they see me, he pushed the block in the 6 and I made him the industry. You're looking at me, but it's you, this ain't high school. Me and my crew, we can slide through, give it to you whenever you want.
Homicide, backwoods so it's all good, and you see it make it taste good. Shawty classy with a freaky side, real one make you boss up, down bad I can call her. Oh yeah, sex so good might get a Birkin, she deserve it.
It's your girl Queen Cierra, and I'm back at it again with another freaking video. So yes, last night I did not upload a video. I'm sorry, but Vlogmas and the end of this year was getting very overwhelming. So yesterday I took a little break, but we're back, and I'll be doing this wig installment. So yes, we did something different. We did these cute little messy curls and a nice little swoop bang, and I never did a swoop bang before. Like, I don't think I ever did a swoop bang, so I'm really feeling this little pop on this little wig. Like, I did not glue her down. This is a glueless wig. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did a glueless wig. This wig is very snug, so it was easier to do a glueless installment, but I am loving this hairstyle like I did today. These like nice beachy messy curls that I did, and this nice little bang. Like, it will look really good. So yeah, so today's wig is a dash. This is from, okay, first of all, this wig is from Sensationnel, and it's another line from Sensationnel. This is the Dashley HD lace. Keep them guessing. Fast fashion meets hair, and it's a deep side part with the baby hairs. This is a lace unit 7 1B lace front wig, and it's safe up to 400 Fahrenheit. So yeah, that's this wig, and I got it in a 1B, and it comes in multiple different colors. So this wig is just a nice deep side part, and it was kind of not hard, but it's I wish they did the side part on the left, like you can pick between the left and the right, because some people prefer their side parts on the left, some people prefer their side parts on the right. So I wish you're able to pick how you want your side part to lay. Like a little pop on and go wig. Like, when they say fast, it's fast. Like, all you gotta do is cut the lace off, get the baby hairs, swoop them down, and run out the door. They did not have really, like, they had like this nice little wave into the hair, and I didn't care for it, so I ended up putting these little messy curls in it, and I am feeling these curls. It looks so good. So yeah, so stay tuned if you want to see me install this wig. But before we get into the installation part of the video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down there and the notification button, so you're notified every time your girl uploads another video. Everything I use in today's video will be listed and linked in the description box below. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, and let's get into the installation portion of today's wig. So let's get started. So this is another wig from Sensationnel Wigs, and I'm trying their Dashley line, and it's a deep side part HD lace wig. So today I'm gonna install this wig glueless. So I'm just showing you guys the information card. I got this in a 1B, and now I'm showing you the construction of this wig. And to be honest, like, looking back at this footage right now, it mainly looks like a middle part that they advertise it as a side part. So I feel like you can make this wig a middle part or a side part wig. So now I'm just taking some lace tint spray and I'm spraying that on my stocking cap. And yeah, instead of putting makeup on it or foundation on my stocking cap, I didn't feel like doing the ball cap method today, so I just put the stocking cap on, cut my ear tabs out because it was kind of hurting if I don't cut the ear portion out. Spray some lace tint, and now I'm just going to put the wig on it and adjust it, and then I'm going to install it.
But you don't pay my bills. Please don't ever try and get too cozy. Please don't try and act like I don't notice. Sorry, I've been trying to keep it low key, cause I've got to pay my bills.
So now I'm just fixing this part to making sure it is aligned where I like my part to be. I like my side parts to be at about around the arch of my eyebrow, and so I'm just gonna place it there, and I'm brushing out the hair because it will kind of tangled up when I flip the wig back to put it on my head. So I'm kind of brushing out the curl. So I'm just brushing out the hair. These curls were not as tight and bouncy as the first wig I did. I tried on from Sensationnel. They just like this nice little body wave type of curls, and I kind of wanted them tighter. So I decided that later on in the video that you're gonna see me curl these curls.
They like the way I do it, cause I don't ever sleep until the morning. To wanna end up losing my eyes on the bottom, now I'm shooting. They like the way I do it, oh do it.
Now I'm gonna be making sure that's where I want my part to be, and then I'm gonna start to cut off that excess lace because we do not need it. Now I was trying to off camera pluck this hairline, but it didn't work out. Like if I pulled some hair down, then you will see the track, and I ended up doing a hairstyle like the swoop bang and the curls where you can barely see the hairline. So it wasn't a big deal because this hairline was looking real wiggy. So just be mindful, you're not going to be able to wear any other style besides a side part or a middle part. So yeah, I was trying to pluck it, but my tweezers was very dull, and the hairline, if I pull too much hair down, you can see a track. So yeah. So now I'm just cutting and swooping my adult hair. Like they wasn't even baby hair, especially that side part. It was a full grown adult hair. So I made that cringing face because that took me so long, and I still didn't like that little swoop I did on the side. But at the end, the whole look came together, and that's all that matters.
Sorry, I've been trying to keep it low key, cause I've got to pay my bills. And work. See me happy, work. See me doing dirt. Stop me better, work. When you I gotta learn. I'm in the cafe, my They like the way I do it. Everybody knows I keep it moving. They like the way I do it, cause I don't ever sleep until the morning. To wanna end up losing my eyes on the bottom, now I'm shooting. They like the way I do it, oh do it. Work. See me happy, work. See me do it, work.
So now I'm just going to be taking a chunk of hair and trying to perfect that little swoop. How big do I want the swoop to be? How much hair I want to be in this swoop. So I'm just going to be doing that, fixing my swoop and making sure there's no lumps, no bumps, no gaps, no holes in it. And yeah,
cause I've got to pay my bills. I work, see me happy, work, see me doing dirt, stop me better, work.
So now I'm just gonna be applying my olive oil foam just to make sure the top of my hair is as flat as possible, and also perfecting that swoop that I could have going on, and making sure there's no gappage, because I kept having kind of like a problem with the gappage. So that's what I'm doing, just make sure everything is flat and nice and neat. And then I'm gonna be taking my golden hot comb and flattening out even further.
Don't pay my bills. Please don't ever try and get too cozy. Please don't try and act like I don't notice. Sorry, I've been trying to keep it low key, cause I've got to pay my bills. I work, see me happy, work, see me doing dirt, stop me better, work. When you I gotta learn, I'm in the cafe, my ta. They like the way I do it. Everybody knows I keep it moving. They like the way I do it, cause I don't ever sleep until the morning. To wanna end up losing.
So now I'm gonna be taking my hot tooth curling iron. I think because the name rubbed off, so I think it's a hot tooth, but I think it's a 1 1/4 barrel curling iron with the clip. Now the first couple of sections I really had a problem with the clip. I haven't used the clip in a long time to curl. I've just been wand curling. That's my favorite way to curl, and I forgot how to use the clip. So I figured it out like towards like the back of my head. So these curls I accidentally did this. So the first 2 curls by my swoop are fat wand curls. So I just wrapped the hair, twisted it around the barrel, and that's how I got that pretty little wand curl. Then towards the back of my head, I used the clip portion of the curling iron, and I did flat curls around the barrel. So I clipped the barrel, and then I rolled the curl up towards my head and got those flat curls. You can see it better than what I'm explaining to you. So I did those types of curls, and it gave me this nice beachy, effortless type of curl, and I am feeling it. I'm feeling it. So try it and tag me in the pictures.
Don't know why you're talking like you know me, just because I'm trying to get that work in. Looking at your face, I know it's hurting, but you don't pay my bills. Please don't ever try and get too cozy. Please don't try and act like I don't notice. Sorry, I've been trying to keep it low key, cause I've got to pay my bills. I work, see me happy, work, see me doing dirt, stop me better, work. When you I gotta learn, I'm in the cafe, my ta. They like the way I do it. Everybody knows I keep it moving. They like the way I do it, cause I don't ever sleep until the morning. To wanna end up losing. My eyes on the bottom, now I'm shooting. They like the way I do it, oh do it.